What's up, YouTube? So check it out, y'all. Been pretty busy working on these bikes, and this is the go-kart engine here. So what I did, I remember I got my new carb for the mini bike. So this is I already tuned this carb. Got the 38 jet, got the 140 E-tube, and I got my air filter in here, the OG air filter from the mini bike onto the Hemi go-kart engine 212. So I'm gonna fire it up, y'all. I'm gonna fire it up and go ahead and set up the camera real quick so we can fire this up. So alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light off so we could get a little flame show going on. And let's fire it up, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. So went ahead and shut her down. Gotta get her bolted up here pretty soon in the go-kart, and that's still the stock plug in there, y'all. I need to get me a NGK plug or racing plug, or the NGK plugs. I like the NGK plugs. So I need to get this mounted back up. I already got the clutch under, y'all. New clutch ready to go, oiled up. I like to oil up my clutches every 2 hours. So yeah, I remember I did tighten down that bolt. So new clutch. Got the shorty pipe, the OG air filter with the tuned carb. I mean, y'all heard it, y'all. That thing is running good. I already took off the throttle screw. So this one, the next thing I'll put is the spark plug. Get a NGK spark plug in there, and she's ready to go. Alrighty, y'all. So I'm gonna end the video there. The next thing I have to do for the go-kart is work on the wheel. Hopefully it's just a bearing, couple bearings or whatever. Something simple and quick to fix, and I'll look into that pretty soon whenever I get ready to install this engine into there. So that was just a little quick video for y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, y'all, and y'all have a good one, and I'll catch on the next one. I have been doing a lot of work to the mini bike, y'all. As y'all can see, the governor fully removed, oil sensor fully removed, and I've already ran it. I had to put me a new throttle on there. I had to do some throttle work, custom throttle work, and it seems like I got that pretty down. So she'll be ready here soon, y'all. Make some videos with it. So hopefully I'll catch y'all soon. Just getting everything ready. So let's catch on the next one. Peace out.